If your EA opens trade without a stop loss or take profit, one bad market move can wipe out your account. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to add stop loss and take profit to your MT4 Expert Advisor.
This video is for learning purposes only. Do not use this logic for real trading without proper testing.
First, open Meta Editor and load your EA file. Click on this icon right here and load your Expert Advisor. We will use the EA that we have created in the last video. The link for that video should be available at the top right corner. Now look for the OrderSend function. Line number 39. You can see the OrderSend function here. This is the function responsible for placing trades. Inside OrderSend function, you will see parameters like symbol, buy or sell type, lot size, entry price, and then you'll see stop loss and take profit. A lot of beginners leave these as 0. That means the trade opens without protection. Let's add a stop loss to this trade. For a buy trade, the stop loss should be below the current ask price. For example, if the ask price is 1.1 and you want a 50 pip stop loss, you subtract the stop distance from the ask price. Alright, so let's calculate the stop loss here. Ask price subtracted 50 pips and now multiply it with the point. Now this is a stop loss for buy. And now we have to calculate the stop loss for the sell trade. For sell trades, it works the opposite way. The stop loss goes above the entry price. Alright. Now if you see at the parameters, this is the stop loss parameter. For the buy trade, we have to replace this 0 with the stop loss buy. And for the sell trade, we have to replace this with the stop loss sell. And now for the take profit, for buy trades, take profit goes above the entry. That means take profit for buy, ask price plus we need to be at 100 points multiplied by a point. And for the sell trades, take profit goes below the entry. So basically, stop loss controls risk, take profit locks profit automatically. Now let's replace this take profit parameter with the variable that we have just created. This is take profit buy. We have to replace this one with take profit sell. And by the way, I created a free MT4 risk management toolkit that includes risk calculator sheet, EA safety checklist, trade journal, safe EA settings examples. So if you want safer EA settings and better risk management, you can download it from the link in the description. Now let's say stop loss is 50 pips and take profit is 100 pips. You simply calculate both prices and pass them in the OrderSend function here. Then your EA will automatically manage the trade, like so. One common mistake is using the wrong number of digits or points, especially on brokers with 5-digit pricing or 3-digit JPY pairs. For example, in our case, our broker has 5-digit pricing. So we have to fix this issue. So a safer approach is, let's convert this 5-digit pricing so that we can properly calculate the pip value. So double pip equals to point. And now we have to check if digits are 5 or digits are 3, then we have to update the pip as point multiplied by 10. Now we just have to replace pip with these points. Alright, let's compile this code again. Hit F5 or click on this play button. So click OK. As we can see that two trades are opened, buy and sell, and with a stop loss and take profit on both trades. And we can confirm that stop loss is applied on this trade and take profit is applied on this trade. Adding stop loss and take profit is one of the most important parts of EA development, because without risk management, even a good strategy can fail very quickly. And if you haven't downloaded the free MT4 Risk Management Toolkit yet, the link is in the description. If you want more MT4 EA development videos like this, subscribe. See you next time.